We are making a very tasty dish today with an unique ingredient Gond Katira, that is Tragacanth gum herb. These rocks are full of natural Ayurvedic properties. You can use Gond Katira in juices, ice creams, lemonades, milkshakes. Let's take about 10 to 12 pieces of this gum herb. We have soaked this Gond Katira in water for 6 hours before using it. Soaked Gond Katira will turn into a jelly-like substance. Let's pour it in a bowl. Add powdered sugar as per taste and mix it well. Gond Katira has calcium and potassium which aids to bone strength, making your bones very strong. It has anti-aging properties which delays the development of wrinkles and keeps the skin healthy. Add a cup of chilled cold milk in this. It is an excellent immunity booster and increases the secretion of immune cells. It improves digestion and metabolism due to the enzymes present in its jelly. A cup of fresh mango juice will add the color and the taste. A cup of fresh mango pieces will add more flavor to it. Garnish this preparation with some finely chopped almonds, which will add the nuttiness to the dish. Wow, our mango Gond Katira pudding is ready. Serve it chilled and enjoy this recipe this summer season.